Friends, Buddy here. It's April 19th, 2020. I hope everyone is staying safe out there in this corona shutdown. I just wanted to make this video. I wanted to share this project that I'm working on right now. Okay, so you see these silver coins in the back end. I locked arms with a company. I've actually locked arms with one of the top network marketing earners in the industry, with this company where you can start stacking silver. And this company is actually doing a promotion where you can get free silver for free. You're just going to have to pay the shipping and handling. And it's 47 bucks a month where you can start stacking silver every single month and start bringing your net worth up. Okay, so if you don't like saving money at a bank, you can save it by stacking silver and gold, because silver and gold is never going to lose value. It's always going to go up. It has been. It's shown that in history. So I wanted to show you what type of coin that you'll get in the mail. Check that out. I know you can't see with the glare, but this is pretty much the token that you see on the screen share. Very old silver coin. Okay, so this coin is a 1938. It's in the circulation mode yet. It's not all worn out or anything. You can see 1938 on there. You can see it's like worth over $100, 164 bucks. You can see it online, and all I did was paid for the shipping and handling. This isn't any type of scam or anything. These are real products. This is a company that actually allows, if you're a member, you can order silver and gold under retail price. There's jewelry. You can get gold and silver bullion like this, coins, and they're going to actually do a promotion from April 16th to April 30th to where you can get something like this for free. It's going to be 47 bucks following after that, but you'll get this in the mail free. Just pay for the shipping and handling, and you can make money by sharing this with others. And when others order stuff off of your website, you actually get commissions off of that. I actually locked arms with one of the top earners in the network marketing industry, and the top earner of the company that it's called MintBuilder. I saw the value in this. I watched a lot of videos. I did the research, and there's a video that explains even Chase Bank, instead of all the money that they have, they decided to buy 500 ounces of silver instead of keeping the dollar in there, because they know something that we don't. This is going to be worth money. There's silver that's being added to car parts that's getting thrown away every single year. So, the price is only going to go up. And history has shown that the price has always just gone up anyways. So, with what's going on in the world today, now is the time to start stacking something like this. I saw the value in this, so I decided to upgrade to the second level that's called Around the World Bundle, and I got this beautiful piece right here. Okay, so check this out. This is the Captain America. It's a collector's piece. This coin is a lot bigger, a lot heavier than this $50. You can see the difference in the size. It's really heavy. It's not fake. This is real silver. And you can start stacking silver and gold with this company that I actually locked arms with. And you can make money by sharing it with others. And if you're interested in stacking some silver and gold, or looking at a different way of saving instead of, just saving in the bank, who can trust the banks now? You know, it's it's a scary time with what's going on. I wouldn't want to put my money in the bank, and then all of a sudden the bank shut down, or we have a EMP and we lose our money. You have, stacks of this laying around. It's going to be worth something. Imagine having 50 to 100 of these pieces laying around in, silver. It's a pretty fun hobby to do. I can't wait until I start getting more of these stacked around. That's going to bring my net worth up, and I'm going to continue to do these videos as long as I can keep, as long as I can keep on doing it. Share this, share this with others. So this company is doing a great promotion where you can get the silver bundle. You can join for free, get pieces like this one, 1938 half dollar. This is beautiful. I've had one like this before, and I think one of my kids actually spent it. So now I keep this locked up. I just taken it out for the video purposes and training purposes to give you guys, to show you guys what I'm doing, what I've been working on at home. And with what's going on in the world today, I don't know what's going to happen, how long I'm going to be out of work or what's going to happen. So, I'm online all day, reaching out to people, trying to show my business, aiming them towards the tools, utilizing the tools that I have with the business, the presentation. You let the presentation do the work for you, the selling and the telling. So, and then, I just never know what's going to go on with work. So, and on weekdays, Monday through Friday, I actually pick up the phone and I call people and say, I have a script that I have put out. So it's simple stuff, and it has something to do with my time instead of just kind of twiddling my fingers. I'm not watching Netflix and Hulu all day. I'm actually working towards getting something, putting something together for my family because they're worth it. So, you guys want to find out more details about this? Check out the link in the description. My Facebook link's going to be down there. My phone number is going to be down there. If you can text message me if you have any questions. I hope you found some value in this. If you did, hit that notification bell. So each time I make video with content like this, you'll be the first to find out about it. Subscribe to my channel. And you want to find out more about stacking silver. Take action. Don't sit on the fence. It's not just going to be like a bill. You're actually stacking some stuff that's worth value. It's worth more than pretty much worth more than the dollar. And it's been around longer than the dollar. History has shown. They talked about this in the Bible. Talked about it in history documents. Gold and silver. It's been around forever. So I will see you on the next video. I thank you for watching. You want to check and find out how you can do this, definitely come reach out to me. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you're staying safe out there in this coronavirus shutdown. Also, stay home, stay safe. You can be doing something like this. Alright, peace out.